Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can easily create sitemap for WordPress website and you can submit that sitemap to the Google Search Console. Let me show you. This one is the website. Now first of all we need to log in into this website. You need to add /wp-admin. After that click here login button. And I have installed Rank Math SEO plugin. You can go here. Here you can search for Rank Math SEO. So this is very useful plugin that lets you improve your website SEO and performance. So first of all we need to create the sitemap. Here you can search for XML sitemap generator. This one is the website. Now I can copy website URL, this one, and add here. Then click start button. Now here you can see it is generating sitemap. Now we need to install a plugin that's called File Manager. Using this plugin you will not need to log in into the cPanel. Just you can easily submit that sitemap using this plugin. Here we need to search for Google Search Console. Now we can open this website. Click here, add property. Then we need to add the website link. Let me copy this website link and add here. Scroll down, click here, continue button. Now we need to verify the ownership. So you can use multiple methods. You can use Google Analytics, HTML tag, Google Tag Manager, and HTML file. So I will recommend you use this one, tag. Just you can copy it, go to your website, scroll down, appearance, then theme file editor, scroll down. Let me scroll down, and here we need to find out header file, this one, and then scroll down from here. Then we need to add this tag here. Press enter and then add this line here, then click update file. The second method is you need to go here. So if you are using Rank Math SEO as well as Yoast SEO, then you will get this type of options. You need to add that tag here. So let me scroll down and click here save changes. Now let's go back and click here verify button. Okay, ownership verified. Click here, go to property. Now click here sitemap. We need to add the sitemap URL here, but before that we need to download the sitemap file from here. Click to download this file. So I have one of the extra file. That's why I want to create a folder for this file. and I want to remove this one. 1. Now we need to upload this sitemap file in file manager. Click here. And then here you can find out upload files, select the file, downloads, then click here, select the file. Now here you can see file is uploading. File is uploaded. Now here we can search for this file sitemap.xml. Okay, that's working fine. Now we need to copy this link and add the link here, then submit. And here you can see sitemap processed successfully. So discovered pages are 17.